is what we are building from this. This is going to be a replica Kenny Roberts 1980 500 GP bike based on a RD500 engine which has been totally rebuilt. We are made the frame bigger because they're tiny little bikes, and this is going to be used on the road. This has been wet painted in our paint studio. All this has been cerakoted. The swinging arm is out of an R1 that's been heavily modified to take the shock that will go on this, but keep an eye out because today we start putting this together. Also with, again, all painted in our spray shop here, so keep an eye on this all coming together.